Hi guys, how are you? So I'm doing an unboxing today. I'm not quite sure what this is, but we'll find out together once again. Okay. Alright, so I think I know what this is. This is the Versace bag, and it is one of the limited edition bags. Very nice. Interior here. You can see there's the logo, Versace, made in Italy. Um, Looks pretty good. Good condition. There's a little bit of a scuff there, but I think it's okay. Very nice condition. It's new used, I think, and I believe it's very nice. So I definitely like the look of it, and it's very fancy. You know, it's for a nice event. So hopefully, if there's an opportunity, I'll be able to use it very soon. Um, Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys. Ciao tutti, hasta luego todos. Auf Wiedersehen. Choose. Hodafes, everyone. Bonsoir.